methods of setting two-axis slope for laser launcher. Lasers emitted from X-axis and Y-axis form the laser plane emitted by the laser emitter. This is the X-axis. This is the Y-axis. By pressing the F button in the video, the transmitter can enter the mode of adjusting the angle of the two axes. After the laser transmitter is turned on, press the F key and then the X light will turn red, which means the transmitter enters the mode of setting the angle of the laser plane on the X-axis. Pressing the upper and the lower keys at this time can change the angle of the laser plane on the X-axis. Press the F key twice to turn the Y light red, and the transmitter enters the mode of setting the plane angle of the laser on the Y-axis. Pressing the upper and lower keys at this time can change the angle of the laser plane on the Y-axis. Firstly, find two level points, 0 points, through which line where 0 points are located can be obtained. As shown in the figure, point B is the main point of the tripod on the ground. When supporting the tripod, try to make the point B on the line A. Then, set the launcher on the tripod and adjust the direction of the launcher so that the X-axis of the launcher is roughly in line with the direction of line A. The transmitter is already erected, and the next step is to adjust the position of the small receiver to 0 points. Let the small receiver turn on the green light. Turn on the laser transmitter. Put the receiving rod vertically at 0 points and adjust the position of the small receiver to 0 points. Let the small receiver turn on the green light. The following is the setting of the machine. The setting method is the same as that of leveling concrete. The laser screen machine is set based on the 0 points. You have mastered the specific method, so the following video will be played at a faster speed. After the machine has been set up, the angle of the laser emitter will be set up. Since the X-axis of the laser receiver has overlapped on the line where 0 points are located, the angle of the Y-axis is now set to find the slope. Press F key twice to enter the setting mode of Y-axis. Two staff cooperate with each other. One of them sets the angle of the transmitter, and the other observes the small receiver's reading by setting the receiver pole particularly at a low point to command the setup personnel to set the transmitter until the position of the small receiver is adjusted to 0 points. Let the small receiver turn on the green light. After the machine is set up, the slope can be constructed with the machine.